Hey guys, how you doing? This is Jeff from Captain Sits House of Fire and Fireplace at us.net. So I wanted to show you here. This is the Modern Flames Orion. It's the multi in a studio suit, in a walnut cabinet. These are available in a couple of different colors. So this is weathered walnut. You also have driftwood gray as well as coastal sand. So basically, it makes this into a wall mount unit, so you can hang it right up on the wall, and you have a super cool looking electric fireplace. Easy to install, very realistic flames, and 1, 2, 3, and it's a really cool feature to have in the house. So you have built-in heaters as well. You could use it with and without the heat. As you can see, this has the real wood on the inside. It's another new thing that's been coming out last year or two. Is these electric fireplace companies actually using real wood in the ember bed. And this is one of the more realistic electrics on the Orion series from Modern Flames. Anyway, if you need one, you got any questions, feel free to give us a call. It's 1-855-485-4015. Thank you.